To put your washing machine in diagnosis mode, you can use a method that I did learn over the internet. I always wondered if there was ever a diagnosis book for washing machine. I'm new to this sort of thing. You see, I have a Beko 7kg, 7335 watt. It's quite a lot. So diagnosis mode, to see the diagnosis mode, to see if there's any fault with it, you set your program to 90 degrees and you touch and switch on the on button and the start pause button. You'll get this at first, but then it starts flashing. That means it's ready. So what happened now is when you press it, then you turn this knob to the downward button, to the drain. So it will drain out when you do the testing, when it does fill with water, and just press these one by one. And so what it's doing, it's taking it through a spin and seeing when it's working. It's going in one direction to the right, and you press that button again, it'll stop and start going the other direction. So everything's okay there. Then you press it again, the box on top will start filling up with water, hopefully. Oh no, sorry, it starts spinning. You drain and spin. Everything's right there. Press it again. It will start filling up with water. Again, press it. The other side starts filling up with water. Sorry about that. And press it again. The middle will start filling up with water. And press it again. So fill out even more water. I don't know what it is, but that's what happening. And that's the diagnosis mode. So what you do to switch off the diagnosis mode, you keep filling the water, you just switch it off. The problem I had here was that once I've done the diagnosis mode, inside is full of water, you can't open it. Best is just do it again, put it on 90 degrees, on the right, 90 degrees, switch it on and take it to the spin setting, and then it'll drain out the water, and you set it to drain and spin. You press it, wait for it to compute it. It starts spinning, then you just do it the other way quick. Then you take it to the spin. So then the water is being drained. Now it's being drained. And then after you've done that, you just switch it off. Once you've seen all the water is gone. Wait for all this water here to go as well. It's going. And that's it. And don't go through the rest of it, because otherwise you get into the same problem again. Just switch it off. There you go. Simple. Okay, that's how you diagnostically test your washing machine. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.